After the second incision, you get to the bone. Take away the flaky parts. You make a nice incision, and it should fall apart like that. As you can see, it's a very nice structure. Quite flaky, a bit chocolatey, but
all the goodness of the chocolate inside. I take it.
I feel we can save this little critter.
It's not moving.
Oh, he has a Kit Kat tattoo.
Kit Kat tattoo.
I think it's best to remove the piece of flesh that has the Kit Kat tattoo.
Wait, we need this.
Tissue. This could be delicate. One slip and I could kill the bastard. Oh Lord, I made a slip. Oh no, this could get dangerous. I killed the bastard.
Oh no, that's serious.
Channel death. 3:14 PM.
Yes.
Sorry, I couldn't save this one.